Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about setting up and installing your Canon PIXMA TS3122 printer on your Windows, macOS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and you want to search for Canon PIXMA TS3122 support. And then once you have searched for that onto Google, it should be a best result from Canon.com, Canon support for PIXMA TS3122. Open that up. And now scroll down on this page underneath downloads and expand software and drivers. And then you want to select the TS3100 series full driver and software package. Select download for that. And then once it's downloaded to your computer, go ahead and open that up to run it. Should be a verified publisher, Canon Inc. Select yes. You can close out of the web browser at this time. And then select Start Setup, select Next, and then allow it to begin updating the installer. It'll walk you through whether you have a wired or wireless connection type, and you should be good to go from there. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.